Today here at UNEA 7, we have the Ministerial of CCAC. At this Ministerial, we will follow up to debate with the countries and ideas on how we can leverage, how we can get all the momentum at COP30 and addressing public policies that would really benefit on an air quality, on a climate perspective. And together, we can speed up the process to reduce the short-life climate pollutants.
I'm very happy that in this first cohort we have Brazil, Cambodia, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Mexico, Nigeria, and South Africa taking part. I think it's a very good mix of long-standing and new partners to the CCAC.
We are grateful for continued support and selecting Cambodia for the new CCAC country program. With the support of this initiative, Cambodia will establish the super pollutant team who will be equipped with the interministerial coordination capabilities to ensure that the action in agriculture, waste, energy, transport, coaling in align with the national planning, budgeting, and investment priorities.
We joined our CCAC in August of 2025. And we are committed to collaborate with CCAC as we have already stated during our bilateral meeting in Beleng last month. And I think the reduction of SLCP is aligned with our goals in NDC and second NDC that we have already submitted last October. And it's also aligned to our goal of net zero waste by 2050.
We all know that tackling these super pollutants that drive climate change is also something that delivers real benefits for people. For example, through the way in which this improves the quality of our air, but also the quality of our water. The economic assessment we're going to be discussing today will show us how taking an integrated approach can really help us to capture those co-benefits and deliver substantial benefits for our economies, for people, for the climate, and for nature.
When we speak about reducing the methane, while we understand that there are very strong climate benefits, it's also very economically feasible, and also it provides a very strong social impact as well.
Unlike other assessment reports done by CCAC and done elsewhere in the system, which have looked at either air pollution or climate change, we are looking at both together, the combined and integrated assessment of the combined economic impact of both climate change and air pollution interacting with each other.
Economically, Nigeria recognizes that transitioning to cleaner technologies and sustainable practices will create green jobs. It will drive innovation, it will strengthen resilience, especially for vulnerable communities.
The right to clean air is inseparable from the right to health and dignity, and it represents a collective pledge to reduce pollution and protect those most affected.
We've done a lot in this space, but we have much more to do. Today, together, we can work to explore how we can accelerate action on super pollutants for a resilient planet.
We heard many testimonials of countries in action, taking action at home, taking action regionally, collaborating, using the concept or principle of shared responsibility, helping each other. And it's vibrant to see how this community is coming together. What is still needed is a real drive in terms of implementation so that we get to more scale at a higher speed. And this is why we created this Super Pollutant Country Action Accelerator, which provides a programmatic effort and a team to countries that participate in this effort. And we think this will be a game changer in taking us further in speeding up action.